Hi, I'm Julia Sager with Julia Sue's Stamping. I am so excited to be here with you today. I'm someone who is passionate about stamping, coloring, creating paper crafts, cards, and more than anything, sharing all that fun with others. I'm in Northeast Ohio. Today, I'm here to talk to you about the Christmas card class in the mail kit. I wrote myself some notes so I would remember to cover all of the things that I wanted to cover today. It is going to be on November 18th at 10 a.m. Ohio time via Zoom. I will be mailing all the kits to the people who register those, so you'll have all that good stuff in your hands well before the event. And there are templates for you with all the measurements of everything you would need so you can recreate these same cards using stamps and paper that you may already have at home. Sounds like a win-win to me. More than anything though, I'm here to share those cards with you, the projects with you, so you can see them and you can get as excited as I am. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn the camera around. I'm going to warn you, my fingers may get in there before I'm able to completely get the camera where it needs to be. If that bothers you, be sure you close your eyes or cover them. Be right back though. So I always have to remember lefty loosey, righty tighty. Am I the only person who does that in their head? I doubt it. All right, let's see if I can tighten up the screw holding the camera here and then move the mouse. Yay, we have it all set. The stamp sets that I used in these are the Christmas Classics and the Festive and Fun. Also use some die cuts that go with the Christmas Classics. These are the ones that I used. I have them set out. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start looking at some of the cards. Here is this one, and it is using the One Horse Open Sleigh paper. I just think that's so beautiful. On the back, you'd be able to write a message because there isn't a lot of room on the front. Beautiful card. Here's a fun one, and I'm inviting you to go ahead and color on your own. If you do not have things for coloring and you really don't feel comfortable doing that, message me. We'll figure something out. And the inside is also going to be decorated. Here's another one that's a fun fold using that same beautiful designer series paper, the One Horse Open Sleigh. This card is one I will be giving you a complete template to, and you can make 4 cards out of it. I am going to provide you with 2 out of the 4 so that you can get started on it this way. After that, if you want to redo it on your own with a different stamp set and papers, you'll be able to do that. But they are the same, basically. There are some embellishments on these cards. Here's another fun one with the moose. I showed this before. Cute embellishments. Embellishments will be included. I will cut all the cardstock. I will have all the stamping done. You will simply follow along with me and be able to make the cards on your own. This is using a different stamp set for the sentiment. Let's see, I think that one's called the Very Best Occasions. Here's a beautiful fun fold. I will give you, like I said, all of the embellishments you need, including threads. This has a little bit of gold in it. It looks very rich. It opens up like this. How fun is that? I love that. Fun giraffe with cute, merry, bold, and bright paper. This is another great fold of a card. just beautiful. Plenty of room for writing. Little message. So there will be the 10 cards and there will be envelopes. I will provide a template with measurements to download, and you'll be able to make similar cards. Anyone who registers and pays will get the template with the measurements to download. The Zoom call will be available for those who are registered but unable to make it. I will go ahead and have a recording that I can send to you. Those attending, though, will be encouraged to record it themselves so they can replay and they can rewind as many times as they want. Because remember, all of these templates you can use to make other cards with different stamp sets, with different papers that you may already own. All the supplies used for these cards will be listed on my blog, and they'll also be on my website. So if you decide you really love any of these and you want to get them for your own, you're welcome to do that. And I really appreciate any of those sales that you decide to make, any of those purchases. As I said, all the cardstock will be cut, scored, and die cut for you. For instance, there's this one with the die cut. I will have that die cut for you. And these die cuts here will be made for you prior to being sent to you. And I am going to provide all the embellishments. You will need adhesive and scissors though, because I can't give those to you through the mail, especially not the scissors. They won't let me. So I think that is everything. If you would please give this video a thumbs up and comment, I really appreciate it. That helps me a lot with the analytics of Facebook. I really can't see that there's anything else to discuss with this. I think this is great. It is $21. That covers the mailing cost. The odd 21 is because of PayPal fees and Venmo, so that way I don't have to pay for everything. And you're going to love doing this class. It's going to be great. I hope you have a fantastic day. Goodbye.